What if tomorrow the US dollar lost half its value? How would your savings, investments, and daily life change? In this video, we will explore 3 shocking what-if scenarios that could impact Americans' money, and what you can do to prepare. If the dollar dropped 50%, imports would skyrocket in price, everyday items like electronics and groceries could double overnight. Americans who hold assets in other currencies or commodities like gold would be better protected. Imagine if all federal student loans were wiped out. Millions of Americans would suddenly have more disposable income, but it could also fuel inflation and shift how banks lend. Planning for both outcomes helps you stay ahead. If AI automation eliminated nearly a third of US jobs, unemployment would spike, but new industries would emerge. Americans who invest in AI-driven companies or retrain in tech skills could thrive in this shift. So, whether it's a weaker dollar, loan forgiveness, or AI disruption, thinking ahead about what-if scenarios helps you prepare for the unexpected. Subscribe for more future-focused US finance insights.